deals only on Parkways.
In the name of Allah, who is the most magnificent, benevolent, omnipotent, and merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today we have a car, Toyota Corolla Altis 2009 model. We have got a registration of Sindh, very immaculate condition. It's in black color. It's a family used car. You can see the car from backside as well. Very immaculate condition. Let's have a look inside the car what we have got. It's very neat from inside. You can see the dashboard as well. Leather Poshish over here. You can take a look on this one. It's a full option car with sunroof. So you can take a look on that one as well. So guys, if you want to purchase this car, please go on to the subscription link of Park Wheels. Thank you so very much, everyone.
Car deals only on Parkways.